1, 2, 3, uh-huh.
Morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today, and I wish I had it down for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the time to win. So I jump back in where I learned to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Said, what's up, man? You got a little work or 20 to lend? I opened up my hand and said, I'm glad to see they could take away my job, but not my friends, you see. And here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound sunshine coming down.
Here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends, with my guitar on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot and the waves in motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girl so sweet, so kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing, and every single song needs a little releasing. Stereo bumper till the sun goes down, and I only wanna hear that sound.
Sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Now say you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. Sing, you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine.
I will meet you in the city when it's lit up by the stars. In the moonlight we're all pretty, 'cause it papers over scars. Ever feel like you belong to a story you ain't heard? Doesn't matter if it's your song and you don't know all the words. We should put up a sign. We are citizens of all you can see. We've got nothing but time, 'cause you'll find everything you didn't know. Everything you didn't know is standing right in front of you. A euphoric combination of 1,000 dirty hands. There's no need for complication. On the shoulders we will stand. It's a patient exploration to go sleep. It's so clear now, 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 that you'll find everything you did to know.